Hey guys, it's Joe with Modern Survival Sense. This is a quick unboxing of something I got from Amazon. Actually, three somethings that I'll be doing reviews in the future. Let's go ahead and get this open. Knife of choice today is the Buck Marksman. This is the knife I've been EDCing for the last several months. You'll see an EDC update hopefully shortly. This was a gift from the wife for Valentine's Day, so I thought I'd do an unboxing video. Hopefully everything's here. Alright, what do we have here? Alright, the first thing I want to pull out, well, I'll save that for last. Uh-oh, what's this? A Zippo leather pouch. That's kind of neat. That looks pretty nice. Snap in the front, clip in the back. Looks like the clip's removable if you really wanted to. It's a firm clip. Looks like it's made out of high quality leather, fairly thick. The snap is pretty tight. Oh yeah, and the embossed Zippo logo. But what good is a Zippo pouch if you don't have a Zippo? Oh wait, I do. This is the first Zippo I've purchased, or rather I've had since I was a kid. I had one of the old Marlboro ones. The horse, the Marlboro man on the front of it, and brass one. It was kind of nice, but misplaced as a kid. And ooh, what do we have here? A distinctive top Zippo. Wow, this is kind of nice. This is the American Classic Zippo. I was able to get this on Amazon for a relatively cheap amount. I think they retail for, I don't know, $30 or more? Maybe 40? That's cool. I got it for $18, or 18 and some change. Just go ahead and take this off. If I can. It's stamped on the top. It's got that distinctive sound. That's nice. Hopefully you can see that well enough. It's engraved. I wanted something a little bit fancier than just a standard Zippo. Obviously there's nothing in it. It fits inside the Zippo pouch. Just like so. To keep it protected. That's pretty nice. Alright, last but not least, I got a flashlight. If you haven't already seen the label on it, it's a Thrunite T10T. Oh. Got the instruction manual, user manual, sorry. Silica. Diffuser cone with some extra goodies. Looks like a Allen wrench, some screws and a belt clip, and a spare O-ring. I guess I could put that back in there. And then this is the flashlight. Ooh, looks kind of nice. Oh yeah. There we go. Thrunite T10T. What's special about this is it's actually made out of titanium, which if you've seen some of my other videos, you know that I'm a sucker for titanium. Another feature of this is that it runs off of a single AA battery. Wow, this is nice. Pretty lightweight too. A little bit larger than my current AA flashlight, but I think this may be replacing my flashlight as my EDC. Alright, well, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys because I know some people like that type of stuff. So I hope you liked the video, and hopefully I can get some reviews on this stuff in the near future. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As always, this is Joe. See ya.